Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to share with you some tips and strategies for earning money on YouTube. Part 1. Create quality content. The first and most important step to earning money on YouTube is to create high quality content that your viewer will enjoy and find valuable. This could be anything from tutorials, product reviews, vlogs, or comedy skits. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and that resonates with your audience. Part 2. Build your audience. Once you have created quality content, the next step is to build a loyal audience that will watch and engage with your videos. You can do this by promoting your channel on social media, collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche, and engaging with your viewer through comments and social media. Part 3. Monetize your videos. Once you have built a strong following, you can monetize your videos in several ways. The most common method is through ads. You can enable ads on your videos and earn money based on the number of views and clicks. Additionally, you can join the YouTube Partner Program, which will give you access to other monetization options, such as Super Chat, merchandise sales, and channel memberships. Part 4. Be consistent and patient. Earning money on YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and patience to build a successful channel and earn a steady income. The key is to stay consistent with your content, engage with your audience, and keep improving your videos. Part 5. Additional tips and strategies. There are other ways to earn money on YouTube, such as through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and crowdfunding. It's also important to keep track of your analytics and metrics to understand your audience and optimize your videos for better engagement and visibility. Conclusion. In conclusion, earning money on YouTube is possible if you have a passion for creating quality content and building a loyal audience. Remember to stay consistent, patient, and open to learning and improving your craft. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best in your YouTube journey. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon.